got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
What up? It's your boy Milano back at it again with another video, you guys. And we gonna get into some more of that mango talk. You know what I mean? Should have a volume on this. I got a nut. We got a mango, another mango for the mango talk. We got something else too. I forgot what she said this was. I'm gonna try the mango first. Nice and fresh. Cheapskate Jake price. You know? Got some water too. Put that right there. But yeah, guys. So the other night, and I just posted. I posted a video. I'm gonna upload this probably a lot of my videos when I get back to the States. So if you ask me if I'm in Cuba, no, I'm not in Cuba, bro, when I post it, bro. So y'all be wanting to know where I'm at. Y'all ain't trying to put me in the mail. But y'all nosy in the motherfucker. So what I noticed is, right, it did work out for me. So, remember I said on the first volume, right? The mango talk. I said, there's only a mango you guys should be eating too, by the way. For total noche, for all night, for a long time, is $100 US. And I pay for those guys $100 US. A lot of these women are quoting that. So, I'm telling y'all right now, it's best when you're in Cuba, Havana, Cuba, or Habana, Cuba, however you want to pronounce it. Do short time, guys. Don't do the long time. This ain't it for the long time. Treat it like you're in a casa almost. You know what I mean? Treat it like you're doing the casas. Because save you a lot more money, man. Less headaches too. Let me tell you why. So, I did the short game, right? Short stay. I'm gonna tell you why it works better here. So, the short stay, you don't have to. First of all, after you smash or do your business or whatever, you don't have to look over your shoulder, sleep with one eye open, worry about getting robbed or stealing anything, or taking your phones, electronics, money, whatever. That's one, right? Two, it's a lot cheaper, right? You get a chick for like, what? I mean, I heard $40, bare minimum, $40, you know what I mean? But I'd say 40 to 60, bro. Short time. 1 hour. Get you right, get you tight, so you can captain something, but not all night. So, this is like nature's candy. Well, the thing about this whole situation, the reason why I also do it short time, another third reason, you can sleep peacefully. Some of these pros, mangoes as we like to call them, some of these pros, mangos, or when you're doing the speed dating, whatever, speed daters, we'll call them speed daters, since we're in the speed dating game. A lot of them will want to leave early for whatever reason. Dude, pimp or simp, you know what I mean? They're around. They can have a pimp tell them they need to leave to make some more money. They can have a simp saying he wants to see his honey, you know what I mean? And they want to leave you high and dry. Leave you like 6 o'clock in the morning, wake you up, shit. That happens, you know. So, this eliminates all that, you know what I mean? You get to get your rest. Motherfuckers saying wake you up. Because remember, when they wake you up in the morning, you ain't all there. So you ain't, you know what I'm saying? You might do something reckless, like open up the safe where they see more money and then they want more money, or stuff like that. So, best to do is short time in Havana, Cuba, bro. That whole sleep in the bed with them, scratch that. Sounds good on paper, but it ain't hitting on shit. Also, that was a bust. Also, you also wanna. I don't know if I said this in the first video, but I'm gonna repeat it. If you got an apartmento, put all your money and stuff in another room and lock it. If you don't have a safe. But main reason to do short time in Havana, Cuba. One, it's cheaper. You get a cheaper price. 2, it's safer with your belongings. 3, you get a better peace of mind. I'm not talking about just, a better peace of mind as far as nobody robs you, but you get a better peace of mind because you get to sleep instead of somebody wake you up. You know what I mean? Top 3 reasons why you gotta do short time in Habana, Cuba, and not long time. You know what I mean, guys? So, but yeah, for all you guys that want them white and tights with the blonde hair, you get them out there. Another tip I want to tell you guys. When you do the short term, that's perfect. Now the girls in the club, they might not be with it. It might be a little harder. I'm not saying you can't do it. You can do it. But the street meat is going to be definitely down to do the short time. You know what I mean? The girls in the club, they'll probably do the short time too. You know what I mean? But the street meat definitely is going to work with you better than the girls in the club. People are like, oh, the street meat is about the quality, Milano. You pay for what you get. You know what I mean? You pay for what you get. You want to eat at Ruth Chris or eat at Applebee's or Longhorn. That's cool and all, but remember, beauty is not a beholder. You gotta make sure the chemistry is good, the energy is good, and also too, a lot of guys be like, "Oh, I didn't see no baddies in Cuba." Well, the boy's gonna be posting some stuff, so don't you worry. Don't you worry, your pretty little face, your pretty little head. Biggest speech fellas I on that time. Listen, I will tell you guys this. If you're coming from Medellin, Colombia, Medellin, Colombia, and Dominican Republic. That's what I'm going to say. When you're coming from there, do not compare. Lower quality here. You know what I mean? Lower quality. I personally think Cubanas give you a better session than Dominicanas. Cubanas aren't rushing you either. But that's from my experience. You're probably gonna have a YouTuber try to debunk me. I'm like, oh, Milano's lying. Whatever, man. I'm talking from my experience. That's all I can do. Got some YouTubers out here bashing your boy's name. I ain't tripping. At the end of the day, bro, I'm gonna keep doing me, living my life. But, yeah. Short term is the best term. Havana, Cuba. Our long term stuff doesn't work here, man. Long term, more money, more risk, more headaches. More money, more risk, more headaches. Remember that, guys. So, short term is the best way. It's your boy Milano, back here again. We munch on this mango and mango top. That like button, subscribe button. I'll let your boy.